Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is just some quick Instagram news that I thought I would release. It says Instagram might make every video post into a reel. So they're trying to get rid of the regular normal video posts and replace everything with reels. And the reason that they're doing this is because they're kind of losing traction with their platform and they want to be able to compete with platforms such as TikTok and everything like that. So this article, which explains it in a little bit more detail, goes over that. So there's not much to it except that now all your video posts will now be reels, which is, in my opinion, I don't know what I feel about that. Sure, you do get more features on reels compared to video posts, which pretty much just have the filters, so you might get more views and more interaction on your reels anyway. So they might be doing that because of that and to compete with TikTok. And it says by Matt Navarro, there was a tweet, Instagram is now making every video a reel. So you might see this banner pop up when you're using Instagram. Now this isn't completely rolled out worldwide just yet. It is going to take some time for them to implement this, maybe a couple of weeks or a month or two for them to roll this out worldwide and everything like that. So there was a first glimpse of that new feature, so be on the lookout for that. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So if you have your videos converted to reels and you're wondering why, this is the reason why, because they want to be able to compete with TikTok and things like that. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll check you in the next video. Take care.